case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The tax deduction of medical expenses was at the heart of the 1949 United States Tax Court case, Havey v. Commissioner. The applicable tax code allowed for deductions of expenses primarily linked to the prevention or mitigation of physical or mental illness, while categorically excluding personal living and family expenses. The case revolved around a plaintiff striving to deduct costs pertaining to his wife's travel and stay at resort hotels due to her heart condition. However, the case stalled when no solid evidence proved that change in climate positively impacted the coronary occlusion she suffered. While these trips may have been favorable for her well-being, no signs indicated that the benefits were specific to her medical situation. For a deduction to be claimed, costs must be primarily associated with the mitigation or prevention of a medical condition. The court underscored this requirement with the expansive terms of the pertaining tax code section, stressing the need for a strong link between the incurred expense and specific medical treatment. The court ultimately ruled that the expenses connected to the plaintiff's wife's resort stays and travel were not inclined towards the primary relief of her heart ailment. No evidence set her benefits apart from those of typical vacation goers. Thus, the court concluded these weren't deductible expenses under Section 23(x) of the tax code, as they didn't fit the criteria of costs incurred mainly for the treatment or prevention of a disease.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.